Hi Rajesh sir, good evening. How are you, sir?
Good evening, Jignesh. I am fine. Yeah, tell me.
Thank you for your time, sir. Sir, can you please share your views on the derivative market with our viewers?
So, Jignesh, we have seen a lot of volatility last few trading session in the market, and almost from the level of 11,750, 11,800, we have corrected to the level of 11,200 in the last 4-5 trading session. And during the week, what has changed, almost we have shared Nifty is dropped by around 2.25%. And if you look at the open interest is also, reduced by around 7.8%. If I just compare the week-on-week basis. So almost 9.5 lakh share has been shedded from the open interest of the Nifty, which is, suggesting that, traders are on sideline and they are booking profit in the market. Even on the, volume front also, we have seen on the participation has been, reduced in the derivative segment also. So that could be an impact of, the new margin rule has been implemented from the 1st of September, as well as the global cues are also jittery and, a lot of volatility is happening in the global market and across the asset class like, gold, crude and other things are also volatile. So overall the scenario, if I look at the holistic, the scenario is, cautious approach. Everybody's taking the cautious approach in the market. So that is the theme which is, playing out in the market. But looking at the data point, my belief is that, as we have taken the support at around 11,200. So looking at the expiry tomorrow, so data is suggesting that, we are going to have a muted kind of expiry because, the lot of call writers are there at 11,400 strike for the Nifty. And looking at the writing part in the today's session also, so the call writers are confident that, market is not able to cross this 11,400 for tomorrow's session. So if we talk specifically for tomorrow's expiry perspective, so I am expecting that 50 to 60 point plus minus could be the expiry from the current from the today's close for the Nifty. But overall, if I look at the scenario for the Nifty based on the derivative setup, so still 11,500 is the strike where maximum call writers are there and they keep on writing the calls at 11,500 strike. And on the put writers, they are aggressively writing at 11,200 followed by 11,000. So these are going to act as a good support on the lower side, 11,000 as well as 11,200. These are going to act as a good support area based on the derivative setup. And 11,500 followed by 11,600 are going to act as a resistance area, or you can say supply area for the Nifty. For tomorrow's expiry, we are expecting that, market should play in range of 11,200 to 11,350. This should be the possible range we can see in the market. If nothing major comes in terms of global cues or any other news flow doesn't give any much impact on the cues for opening in tomorrow's session. So there could be possible one round of up move we can see in the market, but in the second half again it could be volatile and the market will try to, if it's a positive market, then it will try to expand near to 11,320, 30 zone. This should be the expiry for Nifty tomorrow. So what one can do in tomorrow's session, if they want to deploy any strategy, or those who are especially a call writer or put writer, especially on the expiry day. So we suggest to write 11,400 call option as well as 11,150 put option. These two out of the money call and put one can write to get all this premium to become zero, because we are not expecting that market will cross these two range in the tomorrow session, especially on the weekly expiry day. Or those who wants to just play on the call buying side, so we will suggest to buy 11,300 call option, which was closed at around 44 rupees. They can buy this call option with stop loss of 20 rupees. And we are expecting 40-50 point up move should come at least in the Nifty, because data is not that much encouraging to cross 11,350 or 400 level for tomorrow's session. So here we are projecting target of 80 to 90 rupees to buy this call option of 11,300. Here one should keep stop loss of 20 rupees to initiate this trade. So overall scenario for Nifty is looking like, in the range bound 11,200 to 350 should be the range for tomorrow, and it's again going to be a volatile session with a positive wire. So one should ready to buy dips, whatever dips, if any dips comes in the market near to 11,200 should be bought.
So Rajesh sir, our next question is, what is the view on the Bank Nifty side, sir?
So Jignesh, if you look at the setup for the Bank Nifty, again we have seen an underperformance in the Bank Nifty, and in the volatility we have seen the most hated, most of the pain was seen in the banking and financial in this last 3-4 days, volatility which we have witnessed in the market. Almost Bank Nifty, if I compare with the week on week, so almost 3.5%, more than 3.5% it has corrected. And almost the open interest has been increased significantly by 23%. So which is, giving us, some cautious or, worry sign on the banking space, because, when market is falling and your open interest is increased, this is a clear-cut indication of short built up, or you can say there is aggressive short position has been created in the banking space. So this is, an area where we feel, some cautious approach needs to be there in the banking space. And as on the level side, if you see, 22,500 has been broken in the today's session itself. So now if we continue to trade below 22,500, then another round of pressure we can see in the Bank Nifty. And looking at the increase in the open interest week on week basis in the falling market, we feel that, if Bank Nifty not manages to cross about 22,500 in the tomorrow session, so there could be another round of selling we can see in the Bank Nifty also. And lower side, looking at the data, looking at the weekly setup, 22,000 is the immediate support for the Bank Nifty as of now, based on the put concentration, because almost 10 lakh shares are there for 22,000 strike price for the tomorrow session, for tomorrow's expiry. And on the higher side, 22,500 call is having almost 9.5 lakh shares concentration. So which is suggesting that, again in the Bank Nifty front also, we are expecting that it's going to be again, muted expiry, 200-300 point range should be there for the Bank Nifty. So probably if the recovery which we have seen in the market today, and if it's continue tomorrow further, then possibly Bank Nifty will attempt to move towards 22,500. But looking at the call concentration, looking at the aggressive call writing in the today's session itself, almost if I see the data, almost 8 lakh shares has been added in the today's session itself for the call writing for 22,500. So aggressive call writing position has been taken in the today's session. So call writers are confident and they are not expecting Bank Nifty to cross about 22,500 level for tomorrow's session. So especially if we talk about the tomorrow's expiry point of view, so we expect that maybe Bank Nifty will try to attempt to move towards 22,500, but again it may slip to close near to 22,400, or even it may come down to the level of 22,200, or it could be a flattish kind of expiry we can see in the Bank Nifty also. Lower side 22,000 should act as a good support area for any volatility if we witness in the tomorrow session. Broadly, if I talk about the Bank Nifty, so now looking at the last 3-4 day development in the Bank Nifty, so now Bank Nifty range for next few trading session, or we can say next upcoming weeks, would be 21,500 should be the next major support area based on the data monthly as well as the next week data. And on the high side, 23,000 should be the resistance area. So this broader range, like 1,500 point range, which we are seeing in the Bank Nifty for upcoming trading session. So 21,500 to 23,000 should be the range for next few trading session for the Bank Nifty. Those who wants to deploy any strategy for tomorrow, especially for playing this weekly option expiry on the Bank Nifty, so one can write 23,100 call option, which was closed at around 12 rupees. But we feel that if any positive move comes in the tomorrow session, so if it's available around 20-25 rupees range, one can go short in this call option, because we are not expecting that Bank Nifty will cross 23,100, and on the lower side 21,500 put one can write, which is closed at around 12-13 rupees. So we are again expecting if it's moved towards 20 rupees, then one can write this put. So by doing this, short strangle of 23,100, 21,500 put, they can, make profit by writing call and put. And those who want to play the plain vanilla trade by buying call option, they can buy 22,300 call option simply by paying 181 rupees as a premium with stop loss of 65. And as we are expecting that some up move should come, because the follow-up buying should come in the tomorrow session. So 350, 360, we are expecting a target of this call option where one can book profit. So again, it's going to volatile in the tomorrow session also. So around 22,500, if market moves around this level, then if you are buying this call option, you can book profits.
Thank you so much, sir, for your time, for your valuable time, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, Jignesh.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.